Hey guys, it's Cubrix. I'm gonna be telling you what I did yesterday. So yesterday, I tried to remove the ball bearings on these two cubes, the Pyraminx and this cube. And it turns out pretty well. After I removed the ball bearings on these two cubes, it turns out really different. The clicky sounds were gone. And it is now not noisy. The same thing applies on this Pyraminx. What I did was even crazier. After I remove the ball bearings on these two cubes, I put it here, which turns out pretty well for me. If there are some guns magnet, GTS magnet, Valk magnet, of course there will be also a ball bearings YJ Yulong. The ball bearings help it really much. After I put the ball bearings, the corner cut on this cube turns out pretty well. The turning of this cube is really different from now on, before there is no ball bearings on it. And it makes the cube really perfect to turn. I also really like how the cube feels right now. If you want to buy this cube, check out the description below. I'll be putting the link on there. If you want to see a video about this cube review, tell me in the comments below if you agree or not. So yeah.